Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Do you think that the theory of evolution and theory of Darwin is similar? Do you know that these are completely two different things? Do you know that Darwinism promotes the violence, murder and racism? Did you get surprised? Do you know why Hitler sterilized millions of weaker people and killed millions of Jews in Germany? If you don't know, so this video is made for you and I am going to tell you all about the Darwinism today in this video. At first, I am going to introduce myself. I am Abdullah Al-Numan. Basically, I make video about science versus Quran in English and Bengali language both. If you didn't watch my previous video, so you can watch by clicking here the I button. Here is all of my video you can get. Coming to the point. Theory of evolution and theory of Darwin completely different, two different theories. But what is the Darwinism? I mean theory of Darwin. In 1859, Darwin has published his book, The Origin of Species, and pretended that all of the species have a common ancestor. Then natural selection led to classification into different species. After that, according to the theory of survival of the fittest, the weaker species become extinct and stronger species survive. Darwinism based on an assumption, that is homology. Homology is the similarity due to shared ancestry within a pair of structure or genes in the different sexes, and it just an assumption and has no strong evidence. There is a counterfactual against homology, and that is homoplasy. Homoplasy is the development of organs or other bodily structures within different species and which resemble each other and have the common function but have no the common ancestor. For example, you can see that the bat and bird, both of them have wings, right? But it's not for the common ancestor. You can hear atheists pretending that the Darwinism is absolutely right, but when you ask them proving this theory, they start proving the general evolution, not the Darwinism, because they have no strong evidence to prove it.